Hello and welcome. Here is a recap of the New York NFP trading session. Hope you stay tuned, hit that subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. Today I traded XAUUSD around the NFP non-farm payrolls release. First thing I did after waking up was check the economic calendar. Non-farm payrolls at 9:30 New York. I waited for the volatility to settle. Then used the first 30-minute candle after the news release as my scalp template. Here's the exact plan and execution. NFP creates fast, directional moves and short-term structure you can scalp. My rule: mark the first 30-minute candle after the release, high, low, and midpoint. Then drop to the 1-minute time frame to hunt precise entries. The key question I ask is, will the high, midpoint, or low act as support or resistance on the 1 minute? After marking the 30-minute range, price tested the top of that range on the 1-minute chart and showed resistance. I waited for a clean 1-minute fair value gap to form at that resistance area. That gap was my trigger. I only take the scalp when price structure and imbalance align. I entered at the close of the 1-minute FVG fill. Stop loss was placed a few pips above the 1-minute order block, just above the marked 30-minute high to avoid noise. My target was the midpoint of the marked 30-minute candle, which gave me a clean 2-to-1 risk to reward ratio based on my position sizing. One of my rules is I always move my stop loss to break even whenever my trade setup is at A1 is 2-1 ratio. Trade management was simple. Predefined stop and target, no emotional edits. If price invalidated the 1-minute structure, I accepted the loss. If price moved toward the midpoint, I scaled or trailed according to my rules. Scalping NFP requires discipline and fast execution. Quick recap. Check the calendar. Mark the first 30-minute candle after the news. Drop to 1 minute for FVG scalps. Place a tight stop beyond the 1-minute order block, and target the 30-minute midpoint for a reliable 2-to-1 setup. If you trade NFP, keep your plan simple and your risk controlled. If this breakdown helped, like and subscribe for more NFP scalps and live trade recaps. Drop questions about the setup below.